Today we're moving on to lesson 10.2. We are still working on decomposing our teen numbers, but today we're working with the number 14, 15, and 16. So our objective is I can make the numbers 14, 15, and 16. And by making the numbers, you're decomposing into how many 10s are there and how many 1s are there. Let's go on to our visual learning. Jada wants to write an equation to tell how many counters in all. She uses a double 10 frame and 2 color counters to do so. So look at our 10 frame. Oh, there's another 10 frame. Jada finds out that filling a 10 frame gives her a group of 10 ones. What color is the group of 10? Now we know that when our 10 frame is full, we don't even need to count. We automatically know that there are 10 counters in our 10 frame. So which color is full? The group of 10 is red. How many extra ones are there? And what color are they? There are 4 extra ones, and they are yellow. What equation can Jada write? Remember, our equation is a math sentence with maybe a plus sign, an equal sign, all of these math symbols. She writes 10 plus 4 equals 14. There are 14 counters. 10 for our top group plus 4 more equals 14. Now this symbol right here means more. More. So we are adding 4 more yellow ones, so we need a plus sign. Our equal sign means that on this side and this side, they are the same. So 10 plus 4 is 14, and 14 is 14. So that's how we balance our equation. Jada has another set of counters and writes an equation to tell how many counters are in all. Well, I hear a math tricky word, in all. That means we must count them all, and it is addition. Let's see, how many counters does she put into the top frame? So look at this 10 frame, the one on the top. It's full because there are no empty boxes. So we know automatically that there are 10 in the top frame. So she makes a group of 10 counters and fills the top 10 frame. Then she places 6 counters on the bottom 10 frame. Then she writes 10 plus 6 equals 16. Does Jada's equation match her counters? So we have to go back and check. The first number is 10. 10 red ones, and I see on this top 10 frame that it's full, so there are 10, so that part is right. She puts a plus sign, which means she's going to add more, and she does. She adds some more. Let me count how many she adds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She added 6 more. She put a 6, and she put an equal sign. So now we have 10 red plus 6 yellow equals 16. I'm going to count them all to make sure that 16 is correct. Now I know that the top 10 frame is full, so I know there are 10. I do not need to count those. So I'm going to count on from 10, like we do with our math ball. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And she did write a 16. So her answer is correct and it matches her counters. The 10 matches the red counters and the 6 matches the yellow counters. And there are 16 counters in all. Now you know how to make the number 14 and 16. And remember that our teen numbers start with a 1. And that 1 means that when you open the number up, there is 1 10.